Will the Earth ever run out of food? This question has generated concern among scientists, policymakers, and the public. With the global population estimated to reach nearly 10 billion by 2050, the pressure on the agricultural system increases. Factors such as climate change, soil degradation, and water shortages further complicate food production. Advancements in technology, sustainable farming practices, and dietary changes are important to meeting future food demands. While some experts believe we can avoid a food crisis through these measures, the challenge remains significant, requiring united global efforts and inventive solutions. Is there a multiverse? The concept of a multiverse suggests the existence of multiple, possibly infinite, universes beyond our own. These alternate realities could contain different laws of physics, histories, and even versions of ourselves. Theories from quantum mechanics and cosmology, such as the many worlds hypothesis and string theory, hint at the multiverse's possibility. Yet, concrete evidence remains missing, making it a fascinating but uncertain topic in modern physics. What is the true nature of time? Time is a fundamental yet mysterious element of our reality. Is it straightforward, repetitive, or an illusion? Einstein's theory of relativity shows that time can bend and stretch, depending on speed and gravity. Philosophers debate whether time is an unforeseen feature or a core dimension of the universe. Despite technological advancements and deeper discoveries in theoretical physics, the fundamental nature of time continues to lack a complete understanding. Will AI lead the world to destruction? Artificial intelligence presents both incredible opportunities and potential dangers. While AI can revolutionize industries, improve healthcare, and solve complex problems, concerns about job displacement, ethically improper use, and self-learning weapons remain. Notable figures like Stephen Hawking and Elon Musk have warned about the risks of uncontrolled AI development. Guaranteeing that AI development is safe, ethical, and aligned with human values is important to prevent it from becoming a threat to our existence. Why do we dream? Dreams have fascinated humans since the beginning. They are a mix of random neural firings, memories, and subconscious processing. Theories suggest dreams help with problem-solving, emotional balance, and memory integration. Some researchers believe dreams allow the brain to rehearse responses to threats or practice new skills. Despite years of research, the exact purpose and mechanisms behind dreaming remain barely understood, continuing to inspire both scientific inquiry and creativity. Did Atlantis really exist? The legend of Atlantis, a technologically advanced but collapsed civilization, originates from Plato's dialogue. Despite numerous investigations and theories, no concrete evidence of Atlantis' existence has been found. The story might be an illustration, a historical misunderstanding, or a blend of multiple ancient myths. Some theories suggest it could be based on the Minoan civilization or other ancient societies. Are we alone in this universe? The immense size of the universe makes it statistically possible that other intelligent life forms exist. Projects like SETI, Search for Extraterrestrial Intelligence, have been listening for alien signals for decades without success. The discovery of other planets in habitable zones keeps hope alive, suggesting that conditions for life might be common. However, concrete evidence of extraterrestrial life remains unknown. The question of whether we are alone continues to drive scientific exploration and fuel our curiosity about the universe. Is time travel possible? Time travel grabs our imagination, supported by theoretical physics. Einstein's relativity allows for the possibility of time stretching, wormholes, and universal strings, which might allow for time travel. However, practical and paradox-free time travel is beyond our current technological capabilities. Paradoxes like the grandfather paradox challenge our understanding of causality. Despite these challenges, time travel remains an attractive concept for both scientists and science fiction enthusiasts, inspiring countless stories and ongoing theoretical research. What will replace oil and when? Renewable energy sources like solar, wind, and biofuels are the leading candidates to replace oil. Innovations in battery storage, hydrogen fuel, and nuclear fusion are also promising. The timeline for this transition depends on technological advancements, economic encouragement, and political will. Efforts to combat climate change and reduce dependence on fossil fuels encourage the push for renewable energy. While significant progress has been made, a complete transition to sustainable energy sources is expected by mid-century, depending on global cooperation. How long can the human lifespan be extended? Advances in medicine, genetics, and biotechnology are pushing the boundaries of human lifespans. Techniques like gene editing, regenerative medicine, and anti-aging drugs offer potential lifespan extensions. Scientists study organisms with exceptional lifespans to unlock the secrets of aging. While some researchers predict lifespans of 120 years or more, the ethical and cultural consequences of significantly additional life remain complex and debated. Factors like lifestyle, environment, and healthcare access also play important roles in influencing the human lifespan. Will we ever colonize space? Space colonization, a fundamental element of science fiction, is increasingly within reach. Projects by NASA, SpaceX, and other organizations aim to establish human presence on the Moon, Mars, and beyond. Technological, financial, and ethical challenges must be overcome, including life support, radiation protection, and sustainable living conditions. International cooperation and long-term planning are necessary. The dream of becoming an otherworldly species is gradually progressing toward reality, with the potential to transform humanity's future and safeguard our survival. Will there ever be a cure for cancer? Cancer, a complex set of diseases, creates significant challenges due to its multiple causes and behaviors. Advances in immunotherapy, precision medicine, and genetic research offer promising treatments. Scientists are exploring personalized medicine and targeting specific cancer cells without harming healthy tissue. While a universal cure remains impractical, continued research and breakthroughs bring us closer to significantly improving cancer outcomes and possibly curing specific types. What happens in a black hole? Black holes, pockets of space-time with huge gravity, affect our understanding of physics. Inside, known as the event horizon, the gravitational pull is so strong that not even light can escape. Theories suggest black holes might contain small points of infinite density, where the laws of physics break down. Recent discoveries, like the imaging of a black hole's event horizon, provide new understandings. Understanding black holes could unlock deep secrets about the nature of space, time, and the universe. What is consciousness? Consciousness, our awareness of ourselves and our surroundings, remains one of science's biggest mysteries. It involves brain processes, but how personal experiences develop from neural activities is unknown. Theories range from quantum consciousness to the natural properties of complex systems. Some researchers explore artificial intelligence and its potential to replicate human consciousness. Discovering the nature of consciousness could transform neuroscience, artificial intelligence, and philosophy, offering new perspectives on the mind, reality, and what it means to be human. What came first, the chicken or the egg? This classic paradox challenges our understanding of correlation and evolution. Scientifically, egg-laying species existed long before chickens. However, in the context of chickens, the egg came first. Genetic mutations over generations produced the first chicken egg, laid by a bird. Not quite a chicken. Evolutionary biology provides this explanation, highlighting the natural nature of species development. The question remains a popular philosophical and humorous topic, symbolizing deeper inquiries into the origins of life. Will the world wars ever end? World wars, motivated by geopolitical, economic, and ideological conflicts, had disastrous impacts. While global wars on such a scale seem unlikely due to nuclear prohibition and international diplomacy, regional conflicts remain. Efforts through international organizations, peace treaties, and diplomacy aim to prevent large-scale wars. The hope is that diplomacy, cooperation, and global governance will continue to promote lasting peace. Preventing world wars requires addressing deeper issues like inequality, resource scarcity, and political instability. Why did numbers originate? Numbers originated from the human need to count, measure, and describe the world. Ancient civilizations developed numerical systems for trade, astronomy, and record-keeping. Mathematics evolved, becoming fundamental to science, engineering, and everyday life. Numbers enable humans to analyze and understand the world, promoting technological and psychological progress. The development of complex numerical systems and mathematical theories has transformed our understanding of the universe and remains important in many different fields, from commerce to theoretical physics. How do we measure the distance from other planets to the Earth? Astronomers use multiple methods to measure planetary distances. Techniques like radar ranging, where radio waves bounce off planets, provide precise measurements. Parallax, observing the noticeable shift in a planet's position from different Earth locations, also helps. Advances in technology, including spacecraft missions and telescopic observations, continue to improve our ability to map the universe accurately. The limits of human knowledge and understanding. Human knowledge, while infinite, has natural limits. Our mental capacities, senses, and the massiveness of the universe limit our understanding. Philosophical and scientific questions often reach beyond concrete evidence, exploring the unknowns of theories. Accepting these limits encourages curiosity and humility, promoting continuous exploration and learning. The quest for knowledge remains a fundamental part of the human experience, pushing boundaries and trying to understand the mysteries of existence, even as we recognize our limitations. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And let us know in the comments about which topic we should make a video next time. See you in the next video.